Hi there, are you a private hire car or taxi driver? Join us as we cover the 8 simple steps to filing your tax return. To begin, log in to My Tax portal and click on E-File Form B. You'll first be taken to your Income, Deductions and Relief Statement, or IDRS. Check that the information on this page is correct, or if there are details to be added or changed. If you worked for an employer last year, enter your income details here. However, if your employer is participating in the Auto Inclusion Scheme, simply check that the pre-filled income details are correct. Private hire car and taxi drivers are considered self-employed. Click into this section to update your income details earned from driving. Similar to the Auto Inclusion Scheme, your driving income details will be pre-filled here if your company has joined the pre-filling scheme. If that's the case, check that your pre-filled income is correct. If it is incorrect or if your driving income has not been pre-filled, update the details here. Revenue refers to the total driving income, which includes passenger fares, incentives, rebates, promotion, and miscellaneous payments. On the other hand, expenses refer to costs incurred in earning your driving income, such as fuel and taxi rental costs. Expenses are deducted from revenue to form the adjusted profit or loss amount, or take-home income. As a private hire car or taxi driver, you will automatically be allowed a deduction of 60% of your revenue as deemed expenses. However, you can also choose to claim the actual amount of expenses instead, if these are higher than the 60% deemed amount. Once you're done, go back to your tax form. If you have any other income to declare, such as income from your property rental, fill them in here. Otherwise, let's move on to the next section. If you have new relief claims to make, update them here. Before making a claim, ensure that you meet the qualifying conditions of the relief. Visit go.gov.sg/tax reliefs for the full list of reliefs. Review the details in your consolidated statement, and when you're ready, proceed to submit your tax form. And with this acknowledgement page, you're done.